Welcome back to my channel CS Concepts. In this video, let's learn about basic structure of C++ program. Let's get started. A C++ program is structured in a specific and particular manner. In C++, a program is divided into standard library section, main function section, and function body section. With a simple example, let's know about standard library section and main function section, then function body section. Now let's know about standard library section. In the example program, first two lines comes under standard library section. And in this we have include first. Include is a specific preprocessor command that effectively copies and pastes the entire text of the file specified between the angle brackets into the source code. And IOStream, the file IOStream, which is a standard file that should come with the C++ compiler and is short for input output streams. This command contains the code for displaying and getting an input from the user. Then we have namespace. It is a prefix that is applied to all the names in a certain set. IOStream file defines two names used in this program. One is cout and the other one is nl. This code is saying use the cout and nl tools from the standard toolbox. Now the next section, main function section, most important one. Here we have integer main. Yes, and this is the starting point of all C++ programs. Then this function is called by the operating system when your program is executed by the computer. See, this one signifies the start of block of a code and this one signifies the end. Now the last one, function body section, and here we have cout statement, then return keyword. The name cout is short for character output and it displays hello world to the output screen. Then the return keyword tells the program to return a value to the function integer main. After the return statement, execution control returns to the operating system component that launched this program. Execution of the code terminates here. That's all about structure of C++ program. Hope you guys understood the concept. If any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Leave a like, share this video and subscribe to CS Concepts. Thanks for watching CS Concepts.